Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. In today's video, I'll show you how to use formulas inside Microsoft Word. Yes, Word isn't just for typing documents. You can actually do calculations too. Let's dive in. We will add the totals in this table. First of all, go the cell you want to add the total, and then go to the Layout tab under Table Tools and click Formula on the far right. The Sum function is already selected here. You can also add the number format. You can also use other functions like average, min, and max. Then click OK. Repeat this for the other rows. Unfortunately, Word doesn't autofill formulas, so you'll need to click into each cell and insert the formula again. And that's it! That's how you use formulas in Microsoft Word tables. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next one.